Today we are going to continue with the question 7 to 11 for exercise 8.1. So now the question is cot theta is equals to 7 by 8. So again we have to draw a triangle. Let's consider this is A, this is B, this is C. And this is our formula. Sine, cot, tan, cot, sec, and cosec. Now we have cot theta is equals to 7 by 8. Cot is basically B by P. If this is theta, B by P. B is this, so this is 7K and P is 8K. Now we will calculate the BC. So according to Pythagoras, BC square is equals to AB square plus AC square. Then this is 7K square plus 8K square. 49K square plus 64K square, which is 113K square. So if the square goes to right hand side, then BC is equals to 113K. So this is 113K. Now we have two parts. First is have to calculate 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. Now 1 plus sine. Sine is P by H, which is 8K by root of 113K. This is the first part. Then 1 minus 8K upon me root 113K. Then 1 plus cos theta. Cos is B by H. 7K upon root 113K. Then same 1 minus 7K upon root 113K. If we solve this, so it will be like root 113K plus 8K and root 113 minus 8K. And because root 113K here is also root 113K, so it will be cancel out. It will become 113K. Okay, let me erase this. It will become 113K plus 7K and then root 113K minus 7K. If we solve A plus B, A minus B, which is A square minus B square. Same goes in denominator, minus 7K square. Then square root cancel, it will become 113K square minus same 64K square divided by 113K square minus 49K square. If we solve this, it will become 9, 4. And here it will become 64, I guess. Then this and then this cancel, it is 49 by 64. That's the solution of the first part, which is 1 plus sine theta, this part. Okay, now we will solve the second part. I will solve the second part here. Cot square theta. Cot is B by P. B is 7K and P is 8K. So 7K by 8K ka whole square. So it is 49K square and 64K square. It's bit easy, so nothing you have to do it. Okay, now let's go to the 8th question. This is our 8th question. 3 cot A is equals to 4. Okay, so what is cot A now? What will cot A become? 4 upon 3. Okay, so what is cot? Sine cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosec. Okay. What is, let's consider this A, let's consider this B, let's consider this C. So cot is B by P. What is B? These, if this is the angle, this is okay. It already says cot A. So let's do the naming like this. Let's remove this. And what it says cot A. So this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay. Now cot is B by P. So this is B and this is P. Okay. Again, we will do the Pythagoras theorem and it says AC square is equals to says AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AB is what? 4k square. BC is what? 3k square. Then it will become 16k square plus 9k square, which is 25k square. Then this square will go on the right hand side and it will become 5k. So this is 5k. Now what we have to fetch? 1 minus 10 square. Basically we have to prove, we have to basically check whether this LHS is equals to the RHS or not. So we will solve this individually. Okay. So first solve the LHS part. So 1 minus 10 square. 10 is P by B. So 3k by what? 4k. Okay. Then 1 plus 3k upon 4k. 1 minus 9k square upon 16k square, which is 1 plus 9k square divided by 16k square. Then it will become 16k square minus 9k square. 16k square, 16 square cancel. Then it will become 16 minus 9 is 7. And it is, I guess, 25. So it is 7 by 25. So we solve the LHS. Now we will solve the RHS for the same. Okay. Then so RHS is cos square A minus sin square A. So what is cos? Cos is B by H. So 4k by H, 5k. Minus sin is P by H, 3k by 5k. It is 16k square divided by 25k square minus 9k square divided by 25k square. It is 16k square minus 9k square divided by 25k square. Now it is 7k square upon 25k square. K square cancel is 7 by 25. Now if we see this is our LHS, this is our RHS, it is same. So we can say that LHS is equals to RHS. It is true. It is true. Okay. Yeah. So that's the 8th question. Let's go to the 9th one, which is basically like the big question. Okay. So in triangle ABC, this is triangle ABC, right angle at B. So we can say that this is B, this is A, this is C. 10A is equals to 1 by root 3. Okay, this is our formula. Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay, 10 is P by B, A. So this is A. P is this one, so it will be 1k, and B is this one for A. B is this, so this is root 3k. So now we will calculate the AC. Again, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square using Pythagoras. So it is k square plus root 3k square, which is k square plus 3k square, which is 4k square. So now it will become 2k. So AC is 2k. Okay. So this is the Pythagoras. Now let's calculate the question part. Okay. So let's go to the first part. Sine A cos C plus cos A sine C. Now very carefully observe sine A. A is this. Sine is P by H. If angle is this, so P is this. So this is 1K and H is 2K. Okay. Now go to the cos C. If this is the angle, this is base, this is hypotenuse. So cos is B by H. So B is 1K multiplied 2K. Cos A. This is an angle B by H. Root 3K divided by 2K. Sin C. P by H. Root 3K multiplied by 2K. So it is K square divided by 4K square. Then this is 3K root 3 3 and 2 to the 4K square. Then I will take the LCM at this K square plus 3K square. Now it is 4K square divided by 4K square. This and this cancel out. It is 1. So the value of first part is 1. Okay. Let's go to the second one. Here. It is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Cos is B by H. So B for A is root 3K divided by 2K. Root 3K divided by 2K. Cos C. Cos is B by H. So B for this is 1K divided by 2K. 1K divided by 2K minus sin A. Sin is P by H. Sin is what? P by H. So for A, this is P, this is H. So 1K divided by 2K. Sin C. Sin is P by H. C for C, this is P, this is H. So it will become root 3K divided by 2K. So it will be root 3K divided by 4K square. This is again root 3K divided by 4K square. So this and this is cancelled. It is 0. So cos A minus cos C. Cos A multiplied by cos C minus sin A by sin C is 0. And this is 1. Okay. So yeah, this is the 9th question. Let's go to the 10th question. Okay. So this is our 10th question. Okay, let's move a little bit here. PQ. So the question is PQR is a right angle triangle at Q. So let's go here. Q at right angle triangle at Q. And then this is P. This is R. PR plus QR. PR plus QR is 25 centimeter. PQ is 5 centimeter. Okay, so PQ, we are given only the PQ value. Okay, so we have to calculate other two, QR and PR. So let's calculate. Assume these two sides sum is 25. So if one is X, so other one is 25 minus X. Like if one is 10, other one will be 15. Vice versa. Okay, so we consider QR is equals to X and PR is equals to 25 minus X. So what we will do, or in the opposite way. So what we will do is PR square, okay, according to Pythagoras, what it says, PR square is equals to PQ square plus QR square, correct? PR is 25 minus X square, PQ is 5 square, QR is this, A minus B square, A square plus B square minus A 2AB, 25 plus X square. Then this is 625, this is X square minus 50X. 25 plus X square. X square and X square cancel. Then 625 minus 25 is equals to 50X. Then this is 600. This is 50X. Then X is equals to 600 divided by 50, which is, I guess, 12. So X is equals to 12. So if X is 12, that means QR is equals to 12. And this is 25 minus 12, which is 13. Got it? So now we have all the values 5, 12, and 13. Now we will easily calculate what? Let's consider, because we have to find the sine p, cos p, and tan p. So let's consider this as p and this as r. Okay. So this is p, this is r. So this is our formula. Now we have to find the sine p. Sine p, sine is p by h, 5 by 13, simple. Okay. Now we have to find the cos p. Cos is b by h, which is 12 by 13, simple. And then we have to find out the tan p, which is p by b, which is 5 by 12, simple. This is the very simple question. The main logic is this. So you have to like take some time and understand this. If you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, the next question is basically a true or false. So it's very easy. State whether the following statement are true or false. The value of 10 is always less than 1. So it is false because there is a value for tan 60 which is root 3, and root 3 is basically greater than 1. Sec A is equals to 12 by 5. Can sec A become 12 by 5? If I say sec is basically, what is sec? This is sec h by b. So h is 12 and b is 5. Yes, this can be possible. Like hypotenuse is greater than base. So this can be possible. So this is true. Cos A is an abbreviation used for cosecant of angle A. False, because this is not cosecant. Cosecant is cosec, not cos. Cos is cosine. So this cosecant is abbreviation of cosec. Cot is the product of cot and A? Of course not. A is the angle, not the product. A here is the angle. Sine theta is equals to 4 by 3. Again, go to this. Sine is P by H. Okay, so P is 4 and H is 3. Is this possible? Of course not. Never possible. So but it is false. Okay. So yeah, that's all for today's lecture. Now we have completed our 8.1. We will continue with introduction of 8.2 first. What is in the 8.2, and then we will go to the main exercise 8.2. Okay. Thank you everyone. Bye.